Morning students, and welcome back to our third part of the tattered blanket. So before going to the class, let us recall once what was the topic related with. So in our last session we came to know about the three characters in the topic. They were Amma, Kamala and Gopi. So Gopi, the son who was staying in some other place, comes to his village as he was going to Thiruvananthapuram for meeting. And the same time as his mother grown older, she doesn't recognize, and for that Kamala gives an explanation. So let us see what is going to happen in the remaining part of the topic. Gopi, Kamala, I can't believe it. Has his school closed for vacations? Amma is often like this these days. She doesn't recognize anybody, Gopi's sister explained. But sometimes her memory is quite sharp. Then she asks me if you have sent any letter. I tell her everything is fine with you, Vimala and the kids. What is the point of telling her that you haven't written for years? Poor thing, I wouldn't dream of making her unhappy. So here Kamala is explaining Gopi about her mother's situation as she has lost her memory, and as she has also not able to recognize anybody due to her old age. So Kamala is telling, in these days Amma is sharp, her memory is quite sharp. And she also asked about did he had sent any letter, and always she also asked about Vimala and kids. She also gave explanation about that they are very fine and he is always keeping writing the letters. But what is the need? What is the necessity of telling that he is writing the letter? I wouldn't dream of making her unhappy, as she is not willing to say that yes, he is not writing letters. If she says so, she will become sad. I got a promotion last year. After that, I am always on my toes. And there are tours quite often. I don't get any time to write letters. So here, now, Gopi is giving explanation to Kamala, as he is saying that he has got promotion last year and he is always on toes. That means he is always on journey. He has to move from one place to another on attending the meetings, and that is the reason why he is not getting any time to write the letters. Why don't you ask Vimala to write, or doesn't she get any time to? What are you mumbling over there? Amma said loudly. I heard somebody coming in a car. Who is it? I told you it's Gopi. But Gopi is in Delhi, isn't he? Yes, Amma, it's me. I have came from Delhi. Who did Gopi marry? Amma said, suddenly lowering her voice. I mean, what's his wife's name? So here, as Gopi gave an explanation about his tours and travels and the limited time of the limited period of time what he is not getting to write letters. Here Kamala is asking that Vimala too doesn't get any time to write letters. At the same time, Amma shouts again, "What are you mumbling over there? I heard somebody coming in a car. Who is it?" So, I told you, Kamala is responding, I told you, Amma, that is Gopi. But Gopi is in Delhi, isn't he? Amma said. Yes, Amma, it's me. I have came from Delhi. Who? Now, Gopi is replying. Who did Gopi marry? Amma said, suddenly lowering her voice. I mean, what's his wife's name? See, after so many years here, Amma is not able to recognize what has happened in Gopi's life, that he has also got married and having two kids. She has completely forgotten that he got married, and even she has also forgotten the name of his wife. Don't say you have forgotten her name too. Don't you remember? Vimala, District Collector Nambiyar's eldest daughter, Gopi's sister said. Okay, now here Kamala is recollecting her memory by saying that yes, Gopi's wife name is Vimala and she is the eldest daughter of district collector Nambiar's eldest daughter. Oh, I forgot the name. Was there a letter from Gopi today? Again she is recollecting. Again she has came into the present situation and asking, is there any letter from Gopi today? There was. He writes every day, says Kamala. I'm terribly upset if I don't get a letter from him every day. Here, mother Amma is worrying about. She is expressing her feeling about if she doesn't get any letter, she is terribly upset. She feels very unhappy. He knows it. That's why he writes every day. Here, Kamala saying that Kamala is telling, yes, Amma, he too writes every day. He also knows about your condition. If he doesn't write a letter, you will feel sad. He knows that. That's why he too writes the letter every day. Look at the way she talks. Gopi's sister turned to him. Just I told you, you know nothing about what's going on here, do you? Here, Kamala is very upset over Gopi, as he doesn't know what is happening, as he also never thought of his mother as well as his sister, what they are, in what conditions they are going across with. So this is the reason why she is unhappily telling to Gopi that do you know what is happening here? Yes. Who is that? Amma said again. Who is it? Who is that in a car? It's me, Gopi said. I had to come to Thiruvananthapuram. I thought I should drop in to see you, Amma. Who is your Amma? That is her name. What is her name? Where does she live? Is it far from here? No, it is quite near. I don't know how I can bring back her memory, Gopi's sister said to him exasperatedly. Gopi placed his briefcase on the tinna. He opened it and pulled out the contents: clothes, files, a shaving set. Okay, children. So here